Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will talk about 3D effects. 3D effects enable you to create three-dimensional object from two-dimensional artwork. You can control the appearance of a 3D object with lighting, shading, rotation and other property. You can also map artwork onto each surface of a 3D object. Create a 3D object by extruding or revolving. In addition, you can also rotate 2D or 3D object in 3 dimensions. To apply or modify 3D effects for an existing 3D object, select the object and then double-click the effect in Appearance panel. Create a 3D object by extend 2D object along the object's x-axis to add depth to the object. For example, if you extrude 2D ellipse, it's become a cylinder. We can see in the image. Extruding an object. First, select the object, choose Effect, 3D and Extrude. Click More option to view the complete list option or Favor option to hide the extra option. Select Preview to preview the effect in document window. Specify option, Position, Extrude, Surface, Lighting, Map. This is an image which I am creating in Adobe Illustrator. Now we will discuss about Distort effect. Distort's command can be very memory intensive. They are raster based and used to document raster effect setting whenever you apply the effect to a vector object. Diffuse Glow. Render an image as if it were being viewed through a soft diffusion filter. The effect adds see-through white noise to an image with the glow fading from the center of a selection. Glass. Make an image appear as if we are being viewed through different type of glass. You can choose a preset glass effect or create your own glass surface using a Photoshop file. You can adjust scaling, distortion, smoothness, setting as well as texturizing option. Ocean ripple. As randomly space ripple to artwork, making the artwork look as if it were underwater. Thank you.